Right now, billions of invisible signals are flying through the air around you. They pass through walls, through your body, through your house, and somehow they deliver cat videos in 4K. But how? Wi-Fi is not internet, it is a wireless way to transmit data using radio waves. The actual internet comes from your internet service provider like Bell Canada, Rogers Communications, or Comcast. Your modem receives internet through fiber optic cables, coaxial cables, DSL lines. Then your router converts that data into radio signals. Think of it like this. Internet equals highway router equals radio tower. Your phone equals receiver. Radio waves are part of the electromagnetic spectrum. The same spectrum includes microwaves, infrared, visible light. Wi-Fi operates mostly on 2.4 GHz, 5 GHz, 6 GHz, Wi-Fi 6E. GE equals gigahertz, that means billions of wave cycles per second. The higher the frequency, faster speeds, shorter distance. When you open YouTube, 1. Your phone sends a request. 2. The router sends that request to your ISP 3. The request travels through undersea fiber cables. 4. It reaches a data center. 5. The server sends data back in tiny pieces called packets. Each packet contains a piece of the file, a destination address, instructions for reassembly. Your device rebuilds everything in milliseconds. That's why video loads smoothly. Your router does 4 major jobs. 1. Converts wired internet to wireless radio waves. 2. Assigns local IP addresses. 3. Manages traffic between devices. 4. Encrypts data. Think of it as a mini traffic controller. If 10 devices are streaming Netflix, it decides who gets priority. 2.4 GHz. Longer range, slower speed, better through walls. 5 GHz, faster, shorter range, less interference. 6 GHz, Wi-Fi 6E, even faster, cleaner signal, newer devices only. Common causes: too many devices, thick concrete walls, interference from microwaves, neighboring routers, old router hardware. Fun fact, microwaves operate at 2.4 GHz, the same frequency as Wi-Fi. That's why Wi-Fi may drop when someone heats food. When you enter a Wi-Fi password, your router uses encryption standards like WPA2, WAPA3. Encryption scrambles your data, so only your device can decode it. Without encryption, anyone nearby could intercept traffic. That's why you should avoid public Wi-Fi for banking. Use strong passwords. Update router firmware. Typical indoor range, 100 to 150 feet, 2.4 GHz, 50 to 100 feet, 5 GHz. Walls reduce signal strength by 25 to 75%. Mesh systems solve this by creating multiple access points. Popular mesh brands include Google Nest Wi-Fi, Netgear Orbi, Next Generation, Wi-Fi 7. Multi-link operation, lower latency, 30 plus Gbps theoretical speeds. This will power AR, VR 8K, streaming, smart cities, autonomous systems. Wi-Fi feels like magic, but it's not magic. It's physics, it's math, it's radio waves, it's infrastructure. And now you understand it. If this helped you see everyday tech differently, subscribe to Garage to Genius. Because the smartest people aren't the ones who know everything. They're the ones who understand how things work.